Welcome to our channel BA Careers. In this video, let us discuss about business analyst role in software development. Introduction. Define the role of a business analyst, BA. Importance of BUS in bridging the gap between stakeholders and development teams. Key responsibilities of a BA. Requirement gathering and documentation. Defining functional and non-functional requirements. Ensuring alignment with business objectives. Stages of software development where BUS contribute. Initiation phase, identifying project goals. Planning phase, assisting in resource allocation and timeline estimation. Execution phase, supporting development teams with clarifications. Testing phase, validating deliverables meet requirements. Skills required for BUS in software development. Communication and negotiation skills. Analytical and problem-solving abilities. Technical knowledge, e.g. UML, SQL. Challenges faced by BUS. Unclear requirements from stakeholders. Balancing technical and business expectations. Conclusion. Summarize the vital role of BUS in ensuring project success. Hello everyone. Welcome to our video on the business analyst's role in software development. In today's rapidly evolving tech world, a business analyst acts as the crucial link between stakeholders and the technical team, ensuring smooth project execution and successful outcomes. The business analyst is responsible for gathering and documenting requirements from stakeholders, translating these into clear functional and non-functional requirements for the development team, ensuring all deliverables align with the organization's business objectives. Business analysts contribute at every stage of software development. Initiation phase, they define the project scope and objectives. Planning phase, BUS collaborate on timelines, budgets, and resources. Execution phase, they act as mediators, clarifying requirements for developers. Testing phase, BUS validate the system, ensuring it meets business needs. To excel, a business analyst must possess exceptional communication and negotiation skills, strong analytical and problem-solving abilities, technical knowledge such as UML diagrams, wireframing, and basic coding concepts. Challenges include dealing with ambiguous requirements and balancing technical constraints with business demands. To overcome this, BUS should actively engage stakeholders and maintain clear documentation. In conclusion, the business analyst's role is indispensable in software development, ensuring that business goals are effectively translated into technical solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.